Hey guys, just wanted to show you how to replace your rear turn signal lights. So here you just pop this plastic piece off. It's pretty easy. You just have to pull with some force. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. It sounds like it breaks, but you're fine. It just has some plastic ears. So here there's just two screws here that you unscrew. And then once you take these two screws out, the light, you kind of have to wiggle it a little bit because there's like two pins that go on from the side, and you want to be careful because you don't want to chip the paint on it. So once you have these taken out, and just grab the back of the light and kind of wiggle just a little bit, and you'll feel the front part of the light kind of come out from the car, and then just take your time and pull away and then pull back, and the light will pop off without chipping the paint. I was doing this because I was going to replace my bulbs, but the ones I bought don't fit. They're the wrong ones. The connectors didn't go in the slot right. So thought I'd just do this quick video showing you guys how to replace it at least. You just turn it, I think clockwise, counterclockwise. It comes out, it's pretty basic. And then to put the bulbs back, put it back in, same thing. Just you put the two ears in first. Don't push them all the way in, just line them up. And then the light should slide in, and then you have to give it a little force toward the body of the car, and you'll hear like a little click, and it'll kind of pop in. Again, it's not hard, just take your time. You don't want to chip the paint around the light here. And here I was trying to put the new bulbs in, and then I realized they're the wrong ones. So if you guys have any suggestions of what bulbs actually fit and aren't super bright, let me know for sure, because the other ones were too bright and these don't fit. So I'll be returning these for sure. Hope this makes it easy to replace your bulbs if you guys didn't know how already. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. Have a good day.